Hello, I need home internet.
Where do you live exactly?
I live on Main Street.
We have fiber cable there.
Is it very fast internet?
Yes, it is very fast.
How much is 1 month?
It is $30 monthly.
Do I pay for installation?
No, the installation is free.
Do you give a router?
Yes, the router is included.
When can you install it?
We can come tomorrow morning.
What time tomorrow morning exactly?
Between 10 and 12 o'clock.
I will wait at home.
The master will call you.
Can I pay him cash?
Yes, pay cash to him.
I need to sign papers.
Yes, sign the paper contract.
Thank you for your help.
Welcome to our fast network.
See you tomorrow morning then.
Hello, my internet is down.
What is your account number?
It is 543.
Are the router lights on?
Only the power light shines.
The internet light is off?
Yes, it is completely dark.
Please restart your home router.
How do I restart it?
Unplug the black power cable.
I unplugged it just now.
Wait for 10 full seconds.
I am waiting 10 seconds.
Plug the cable back in.
The cable is in now.
Are the lights flashing now?
Yes, they are blinking green.
Wait one more small minute.
The internet light is green.
Try to open a website.
The website opens very fast.
Your internet is fixed now.
Thank you for quick help.
Call us if it breaks.
Have a very good day.
Hello, I need a router. Is it for big house? No, just a small flat. Look at this white router. Does it have strong signal? Yes, it has 4 antennas. Is it easy to set up? Yes, just plug it in. How many ports does it have? It has 4 cable ports. Does it support fast speed?
It supports very fast speed.
How much does it cost?
It is $40 exactly.
I will pay the cash.
Here is your exact change.
Do you give a warranty?
Yes, 1 year full warranty.
Keep the paper receipt here?
Yes, save the paper receipt.
Do I need special cables?
One cable is inside box.
That is very good news.
Enjoy your fast new internet.
Thank you for your help.
Hello. My phone has problem.
What is wrong with it?
My mobile internet stopped working.
Let me see your phone.
Here is the black phone.
Did you pay your bill?
Yes, I paid it yesterday.
Your mobile data is off.
How did it turn off?
Maybe you pressed it accidentally.
Can you turn it on?
I am turning it on.
Do I see the icon?
Look at the top corner.
I see the LTE sign.
Try to watch a video.
The video plays perfectly well.
Your internet is working now.
I am very happy now.
Keep this button always green.
I will remember that rule.
Do you need more gigabytes?
No, I have enough data.
Have a very nice day.
Thank you for fixing it.
Hello, I must pay internet.
What is your phone number?
My number is 79.
You live on Green Street.
Yes, that is my flat.
You owe $20 today.
Can I pay for months?
You can pay 3 months.
I will pay 3 months.
That is $60 total.
I only have cash today.
We accept cash right here.
Here is $100 bill.
Let me get your change.
Please count it very slowly.
Here is $40 back.
Thank you for the change.
Here is your printed receipt.
Is my internet active now?
Yes, it works right now.
What if I move house?
Call us to move cable.
I will stay here long.
Thank you for your payment.
Have a very good day.